rationalizing the denominator. If we have to rationalize this, we have to multiply by root 3 minus 1 in numerator and denominator. So multiplying by this rationalizing factor, root 3 minus 1. Now root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 the whole square. Denominator x plus y, x minus y. It is x square minus y square. So it is root 3 square minus 1 square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab upon 3 minus 1. Root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. That is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Taking 2 common, 2 minus, कभी भी ये मिस्टेक मत करना इस 2 और इस 4 को काट दिया, ये बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है एंड दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके, अगर हमको किसी को कट करना है तो पूरे न्यूमरेटर में से कुछ कॉमन लेंगे, उसके बाद हम कट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वे वी हैव टू डू एंड दिस इज द आंसर. 2 minus root 3 is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, next.
Yes.
Okay, second part. 1/5 plus 3 root 2. This was the question. Okay, was this the question? यही था.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So multiplying by 5 minus 3 root 2 in numerator and denominator. So 5 minus 3 root 2 and in
Upon
denominator
7.
a square minus b square. So it is 5 minus 3 root 2 numerator. Denominator is 25, 5 square and 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 into 3, 9. Root 2 into 2.
9.
So this is 18.
18.
ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 minus 3 root 2 upon 7.
7.
The answer. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
थर्ड वाला part 3. It is 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Rationalizing the denominator, 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. Multiplying by this in numerator and denominator. Okay. So 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. It is basically 3 minus 2 root 2 the whole square. A plus b, a minus b. It is a square minus b square. Okay. Putting the identity, a minus b the whole square. ये आइडेंटिटीज तो आती है ना तीनों, कॉमन आइडेंटिटीज.
Yes, ma'am.
a minus b the whole square क्या होता है यशवी? ये a minus b the whole square.
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b the whole square. Yes, Manav.
Ma'am, a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and a plus b into a minus b.
Ma'am, a minus b whole square.
A square minus b square.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये याद रखना है. Now when we'll expand this a minus b the whole square, it is a square plus b square minus 2a b. Denominator 3 square is 9. 2 root 2 the whole square is 8. 3 square is 9 plus 8 minus 3 to the 6. 6 to the 12 root 2 upon 1. That is equal to 17 minus 12 root 2. This is the answer. Upon 1 is not required. So 17 minus 12 root 2. ठीक है, क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, ma'am, all three are correct.
Okay, all three are correct. Okay. Next, it's good. That means you are practicing. मानव, तुम्हारा आंसर शीट मिला या नहीं मिला?
No, ma'am.
So this is carelessness. Okay. Now, some basic rules, laws of exponents for real numbers. This you have seen in previous class also. Okay, a to the power p into a to the power q equals to, what is it? पता है क्या है किसी को? a to the power p into a to the power q.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, A P plus Q.
a to the power p plus q. इसका मतलब क्या है? Example I'll give. Suppose we have 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So I can directly write 2 to the power 3 plus 2, that is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay, ये कैसे आया? 2 to the power 3 का मतलब क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the power 2 का मतलब क्या है? 2 into 2. तो 5, 2 कितनी टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है? 5 टाइम्स. तो दिस इज हाउ वी गेट इट. ठीक है, तो a to the power p into a to the power q equals to a to the power p plus q. Now a to the power p whole to the power q is a to the power p into q. Okay, a to the power p upon a to the power q is a to the power p minus q.
Minus Q. Yes, ma'am.
जैसे इसका एग्जाम्पल सेकेंड वाले का, सपोज वी हैव 3 to the power 2 होल टू द पावर 3. ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 to the power 2 into 3 that is 6. ठीक है, और 3 to the power 6 को अगर तुम कैलकुलेट करोगे, ओके, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 9 to the power 3. ठीक है, 3 to the power 6 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so it is basically 27 into 27. It is basically 729. And when you will find 9 into 9 into 9, that is also 729. So basically a to the power p whole to the power q is a to the power p into q. ये बेस सेम ही होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे मतलब हम 3 की बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि जैसे a is 2 here, a, okay, next suppose we have 3 to the power 2, 4 to the power 3. तो यहाँ पे a 3 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, दोनों के बेसेस अलग अलग है, तो इसमें आइडेंटिटी नहीं लगेगी. आइडेंटिटी लगाने के लिए दोनों नंबर्स में, इन दोनों नंबर्स, ये दोनों नंबर्स सेम ही होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे डिवीजन वाली आइडेंटिटी लगाने के लिए ये दोनों सेम ही होना चाहिए. a to the power p upon a to the power q is equal to a to the power p minus q. So example I can give this way. Suppose we have 4 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 2. So I can write 4 to the power 3 minus 2, that is 4 to the power 1. और 4 to the power 3 को ऐसे expand कर लो upon 4 to the power 2. तो we can see it is equal to 4 only. Okay. Then a to the power p, b to the power p, मतलब पावर सेम है, बेसेस अलग अलग है. पावर सेम है और बेसेस अलग अलग है, तो हम बेसेस को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं और सेम पावर लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे 3 to the power 2, 4 to the power 2. So I can write 3 into 4 whole to the power 2. That is equal to 12 to the power 2. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, doing questions related to this identity. This 4 you have to learn plus understand how we are using it. Okay. So, to example 21, page number 26 of NCERT Maths book. Simplify. First part, 2 to the power 2 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 3. कौन सी आइडेंटिटी है? यशवी है, किस फॉर्म की है?
Ma'am.
इसमें एक्चुअली एक और चीज देखो. सपोज हमारे पास a to the power b है, तो a को तो बोलते हैं बेस एंड b इज पावर. ठीक है,
Power.
हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या है? बेस सेम है. व्हाट इज सेम हियर? बेस इज सेम. तो बेस सेम वाली आइडेंटिटी हमारी कौन सी थी? a टू द पावर p, a टू द पावर q, दैट इज a टू द पावर p प्लस q. इस फॉर्म का है ये a टू द पावर p, a टू द पावर q. ये किसके इक्वल होता है? a टू द पावर p प्लस q. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 2 टू द पावर by 3.
दबा 3.
So 3 is LCM, 2 plus 1, that is equal to
2.
2 to the
2
power
only.
3 by 3, that is 1. Any number?
Yes.
Yes, 2 only. Okay. Now 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 4. Okay. तो ये किस फॉर्म का है? a to the power p whole to the power q, that is equal to a to the power p into q, this form. So 4 and 1 by 5 will be multiplied. This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third one. 7 to the power 1 by 5, 7 to the power 1 by 3. क्या होगा ये? a to the power p, a to the power q. It is a to the power p minus q.
3 minus 3.
It will be 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Solve it and tell me what is the answer. So it is 7 to the power 1 by 5 upon 7 to the power 1 by 3. So it is 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3, how we'll solve this way? LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 divided by 15 is 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 15. So it will be 7 to the power minus 2 by 15. This is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, we getting or not?
Yes, ma'am. मैम वो जो मैम थोड़े दिन पहले मैम ने मेरे को कुछ और ही पढ़ाया था दूसरी वाली मैम ने.
ओके ओके. अगर कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क. ठीक है, ये प्रॉपर्टीज याद रखनी पड़ेगी. दे आर रिलेटेड टू 8th क्लास पावर्स एंड एक्सपोनेंट्स ओनली. 13 to the power 1 by 5, 17 to the power 1 by 5. ठीक है, इसमें सेम क्या है? पावर सेम है, बेस डिफरेंट है. देखो पावर सेम है, बेस डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, तो ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? a to the power p, b to the power p. तो ये हो जाएगा a into b whole to the power p. तो ये हो जाएगा 13 into 17 whole to the power 1 by 5. 13 into 17 will be what?
No, 13 into 17. 1, 2, 9 into 3. Ma'am, 231. Ma'am, 221.
221 to the power 1 by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yashvi getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1.6 question number 1. First part 64 to the power 1 by 2. So we'll obtain prime factorization of 64. After obtaining prime factorization of 64, we'll get this way: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. As its power is 1 by 2, that means we have to make pairs of 2 and right. Okay. हर पेयर के लिए सिर्फ एक बार ही लिखेंगे. ओके, तो ये हो जाएगा 8. Is it clear? Now,
मैम ये जो आपने 64 1/3 बताया, इसका उन मैम ने बताया था कि ब्रैकेट में 2 लिखेंगे, उसके बाद 2 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 6 बार. तो 6 बार लिखेंगे into 1/3. फिर 3 की टेबल से 3 2 से 6. तो
Ma'am, 2 raised to the power 5.
2 2 2 1. So 32 is actually 2 to the power 5.
5.
तो या तो 2 into 2 into 2 ऐसे 5 times लिखो, या फिर 2 to the power 5 लिखो. Both are same thing only. Okay. But for higher numbers, it's better to write this way, because every time expanding and writing and then counting is not very practical. Okay. Now 32 is this. 32 to the power 1 by 5 will be 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. Okay. So it is 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. That is equal to 2. This is the answer. Is it clear, Yashvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now third one. 125 to the power 1 by 3. So we'll obtain prime factorization of 125. 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. So 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3. 25 to the power 1 by 3 can be written as 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. So 3
Yes, ma'am.
actually getting cancelled. That is equal to,
Ma'am, 5.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yashvi, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the first part?
Yes. This one or this slide?
No, ma'am, this one. Ma'am, this one only.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question 2. First part, 9 to the power 3 by 2. Obtaining prime factorization of 9. 9 को क्या
Can I write this?
Yes.
Ma'am, 3.
3, 3, 1. So 9 can be written as 3 square upon 3 to the power, whole to the power 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel. That is 3 cube.
Ma'am, 3.
This is 27. This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes,
one
ma'am.
we will try 32 to the power 2 by 5.
2 by
So 32 to the power 2 by 5 is clear to you, Yashvi?
Yes, ma'am.
32 we have written as 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5. 5 and 5 will cancel. It is 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Similarly, 16 to the power 3 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4
Yes.
whole to the power 3 by 4. 4 and 4 cancel and 8 we got. Okay. Now, fourth one. Yashvi will explain me this one. 125 to the power 1 minus 1 by 3. Yes, what is 125?
Ma'am, we will write 5 raised to by 3.
Okay.
Then 3 and 3 cut.
Okay. So it is 5 to the power minus 1. Written as 1 upon 5.
1, 5.
ओके, ये साइंस में भी आता है ये कॉन्सेप्ट. हम मीटर पर सेकंड को ऐसे लिखते हैं या फिर इसको ऐसे लिखें, तो जो सेकंड जो डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा है उसको हम ऐसे भी लिखें. 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 5. Second inverse means upon second. Okay, this was the concept. कुछ लोगों को ये confusion था साइंस में ऐसे लिखा था तो. Okay, now last question. Question 3, first part, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 1 by 5. Yes, try to do it. Try all the 4 parts, then we'll. Question 3, first part is a to the power, 2 to the power 2 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 5, adding 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. That is what we got, 13 by 15. So it is 2 to the power 13 by 15. Second part, 1 by 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. So this can be written as 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 7.
Yes,
or
ma'am.
3 to the power minus 21. Okay. If we have 1 upon a to the power n, this is equal to a to the power minus n. Okay. So 1 upon 3 to the power 3 can be written as 3 to the power minus 1. Are you getting this? This is also equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 20. Okay. This is also equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 21. Are you getting this, Yashvi? Unmute. Are you getting this?
मैम माइनस कैसे लगा वो समझ नहीं आया.
कौन सा माइनस? ये वाला?
वो यस मैम.
ये वाला? ये अगर कोई डिनोमिनेटर में है, अगर 1/3 to the power 3 है, तो ये अगर न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो ये -3 हो जाएगा.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है? ये पहले भी देखा था हमने. ये जैसे 5 to the power -1 है, यहाँ पे देखा था ना, 5 to the power -1, that can be written as 1/5. अगर 5 to the power -2 होता, that can be written as 1/5 square. तो कोई भी चीज न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर या डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में जाती है तो उसकी पावर का साइन चेंज हो जाता है. ओके. थर्ड वन.
मैम 11 to the power 1/2.
1/4.
1/4 sorry.
So yes, it is 11 to the power 1/2 minus 1/4. So 1/2
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
1/4 will be 1/4. This is the answer.
Okay.
And fourth one, 7 to the power
Ma'am,
1/2,
56.
8 to the power 1/2. Yes, so it is 7
मैम
into
56
56 raised to the power
1/2.
to the power 1.
1/2.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
now actually I'll give you some questions as practice problems related to this topic only as homework. Okay. So I am writing homework here. This you can copy. Okay. Evaluate. So first part to the power -1/2. Okay. So one more question I am giving.
I mean, in first question there are total 5 parts.
Six parts are there. 64 to the power 1/6 also. Okay. Okay, this all questions you can copy. This we are going to discuss in next class. Okay, in next maths class we are going to discuss this.